Welcome. My name is Oscar Medina, and today I will be talking about the chemical compound called hexachlorocyclohexane, or HCH for short. It consists of four different types of variants, which will be gamma, alpha, beta, or delta. The most dangerous one out of those four, and the most known one here in the US, is gamma HCH, just because in other words it's known as lindane, which is a pesticide, and its kinetics would be that it can be absorbed orally or inhaled. Then it can be accumulated in the brain, kidneys, liver, adipose tissue, muscle, and serum. It can be eliminated through urine, but it's gonna take a couple of months or years for it to be excreted through the body. Its dynamics, which is basically the symptoms it can cause when ingested, it can cause vomiting, blood disorders, dizziness, headaches, nausea, convulsions, and changes in sex hormones. I will say it is a bit more dangerous to children than adults. Now, there is this case back in 2014 of this village in Mexico that had a abandoned disposal facility for lindane. Now the thing was that they had all the barrels buried underneath dirt, so when it rained, there was a leak in those barrels of lindane, which went into the waterways, which ended up leading to that city being either evacuated or water filters put into place to filter out all of the lindane. That was just in 2014, but back then it was very common for people to get sick from even eating foods that were contaminated or living near a factory where lindane was being produced. As of now, lindane is mainly used as a shampoo and lotion for scabies or lice, which is imported internationally. It's still in the air since it was used back then a lot. Or if you live near a hazardous waste disposal, you can also find that toxicity levels are pretty high near those areas. Now the EPA and OSHA have set regulations to control the risk level for lindane. OSHA set the limits for workers, and the EPA set the limits for drinking water for the public. For drinking water, it was 1.5 milligrams per liter of water, and for workers, it was less than 1 milligram that workers can be exposed to in a factory. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you learned something today. And no worries, lindane is no longer being used for food products or crops or anything in that sorts of matters. Have a great day.